Hi Charmers, Johnny here, and today we're gonna be doing a day-to-day look using all of the products that I got in my Boxycharm box this month. And if you didn't know, Boxycharm is a makeup subscription box that delivers the best in beauty and skincare to your home for only $25. And this month I got amazing products, so I'm really excited to show you what I got inside and how to do two different looks with all of the products that I got in here. Let's go, let's do this! First, I'm gonna be using the Elemis Glow Primer Moisturizer. I love this product because of how easy it is to apply. As you can see, I just put it straight into my face, and this really works like a really good hydrating moisturizer for your face, but also it has glowing properties, so it's really gonna give you that like beautiful glowy effect that we're looking for. And the best part is that this product, you can use it before makeup as a primer, or then you can use it after you put your makeup on as a liquid highlighter. I love this product, honestly. And in my box, I also got this sponge by the Makeup Eraser, which is actually the first ever machine washable beauty sponge. I'm super excited to try it because it has two different cuts on it. As you can see, it has a flat top side and it also has a flat bottom. So I think this is gonna be great for applying all of the foundation in my face. For the day look, I'm only gonna use a little bit of concealer as my complexion product, and I'm gonna blend it using the same sponge from the Makeup Eraser. The sponge actually feels really delicious. It's not as stiff and as hard as other sponges. As you can see, I can just squeeze it and press it. The next product that I got in my Boxycharm box this month was this banana powder from Ofra, and I've actually been loving this powder to set my face, especially in the areas that I put my concealer. So for this day look, I'm just gonna do a tiny bit in here. Because we're gonna be doing a day to night look, I thought, you know, this next product is actually perfect to complement the day look, and this is the BCR Paris Seamless Eye Primer, which I think it would be a great addition to my first eye look. As you can see, I'm gonna put a little bit of this in the back of my hand just so you can see it doesn't really have that much color. It just has like a clear liquidy gel texture, which I think it's great. I'm actually gonna pick it up with the sponge and just dab it all over my eye. It really gives me like a gel application into the eyeshadows, and I feel like it honestly holds them for a lot longer. And the last product that I got in my box is actually one of the ones that I've been most excited about, which is the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions eyeshadow palette. And oh my god, look how pretty she looks. And it has a combination of metallics and mattes that I think it will be perfect for anybody to do a day to night look. The first shade that I'm gonna be taking is actually this one right here in the bottom. This is like a kind of like a caramel orange moment right here, and I think it will be a great transition look. And I'm just gonna apply it with a dense brush all over my crease, just like this. Now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna use the same color just to do my under eye. Now to make sure that everything is blended and looking good, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is in the corner of the palette, and I'm just gonna use it on top of wherever I applied that other color to kind of blend it into my natural eye shape and eye color and make it more seamless and more wearable for the day. And now to finish this look, I'm gonna go apply mascara, lips, and I'll be right back to show you my day look fully completed. Okay Charmers, and like I said, we're gonna be doing two looks with all of the products that I got in my box. So as you can see, this is my day look. Now, if you wanna see a glam version of this look, stay tuned because we're about to amp this up. So the first thing that we're gonna be doing to spice up this look is gonna be adding more definition, and for that I'm gonna be using my Ruby Huda Beauty palette, and I feel like this shade in the corner right here, it gives me a deep burgundy moment that I think it will be great to define better my crease. So all I'm gonna do is just start blending it on top of where I want my crease to go. So now what we're gonna try to do is kind of like change the shape of that eye, and I want this eye look to just be more of like a halo eye. So I'm gonna be using the BCR eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna put a little bit of it in the back of my hand and pick it up with a small brush just to apply this in the outer part of my eye. And as you can see, just that already is kind of creating a little dent in the shadow. And I can also put the primer at the beginning of my eye, and then I'm gonna pick up with that same brush this beautiful brown gold tone and just intensify those two areas. First I'm gonna stamp the color, and then with a different brush I'm gonna blend it out. And now that we blended out my halo eye, I'm actually gonna use a mix of these two products right here. I'm gonna use my Elemis Glow Priming Moisturizer actually as an eyeshadow base, and this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna apply a little bit in the back of my hand, and with my finger I'm gonna make sure that I don't have a lot of product on it, and I'm just gonna dab this in the middle of my eyelid to create like a sticky glowy base. With the same finger, go in and just pick the shadow that you want and then apply it right in there. Can you all see that? That's stunning. And now the rest, I just go in and blend it out so I make sure that it's all seamless looking. Okay, charmers, and I am loving how this eye look is coming up. The last thing that I want to add is a little bit more of the Glow Priming Moisturizer, and I'm going to do the same technique. I'm going to apply it first in my hand, but then this time I'm going to pick it up with the sponge first, just so you can see the kind of effect that it gives my skin if I wanted to apply it as a liquid highlighter. I'm gonna go off camera, finish the look, apply mascara, lashes, lipsticks, and I'll be right back. And that's it, charmers. Like I said, we did 2 looks today using all of the products that I got in my Boxycharm base box of December. And I honestly was really happy about the products that I got. And with that being said, I also hope that you love this look and also whatever products you got in your Boxycharm for this month. Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the notification bell so you get a notification every time that we upload a new video. It's super easy and you don't want to miss them. And I'll see you in the next one, mis amores. Bye, charmers!